大家知唔知道 not interested、disinterested 同埋 uninterested 係有咩分別呢？咁 not interested 應該係最少人會用錯嘅，佢嘅意思即係話不感興趣。例如係話 Mary is not interested in English， 即係話 Mary 對英文咧係冇興趣嘅。但係好多人就會搞亂咗 disinterested 同埋 uninterested 嘅意思㗎。其實 uninterested 嘅意思就係漠不關心啦，但係 disinterested 咧就係公正無私，咁兩者咧個 meaning 係好大嘅分別㗎。例如你可以話 Mary is uninterested in social issues， 咁即係話 Mary 對一啲社會嘅議題咧係漠不關心，但係你就唔可以話 Mary is disinterested in social issues， 因為咁樣就好奇怪咯，即係你成句嘅 meaning 就會變咗 Mary 對於一啲社會嘅議題係公正無私，咁個 meaning 就唔啱噶啦。咁舉過另外一個例子，你可以話 A judge should make a disinterested verdict， 意思即係話一個法官應該係作出公正嘅裁決，但係你就唔可以話 A judge should make an uninterested verdict， 因為咁樣就會變咗作出一個漠不關心嘅判決，咁成句嘅意思又係錯咗啦。所以大家要記住啦 ，not interested 就係不感興趣啦 ，uninterested 就係漠不關心，而 disinterested 就係公正無私。千祈唔好將呢三個字嘅用法搞錯啊！